Hello, welcome to Forest Hobbies. Today we're going to be working on, or we're going to be continuing the build of the Space Battleship Yamato issue, well, volume 22 of the Hachette collections from Japan. This is a magazine here. Looks like we're going to be working on putting in one of our first circuit boards, adding in some more stuff. Looks like we're going to be doing a little bit of a light fixture thing, and we'll be adding on to this. And yep, looks like we're going to be doing some more fiber optics, adding in that, and maybe even, let's see what we're doing here more. Oh, we got more instructions. We'll be plugging in all the stuff in the front, combining it, and it looks like we're going to be adding more of the hull pieces together. And having a hard time switching here. And this is talking about the elevator that goes up and down. Yes, I even though I can't read Japanese, I kind of get a little bit of an overview with doing translate on this. So I do have some bit of knowledge of it. This is more about the structure, the elevator shaft and everything. This is talking about episode 5 again, with the Yamato versus the Andromeda class ship. And looks like we're going to be working on both the front hull and the front deck again in the next volume. And but anyways, let's get to building, shall we? Okay, this is volume 22 parts in the package. Let's open this up and see what we've got. Okay, so we've got two different types of screws here. We've got a short piece of fiber optic. We've got a cable here and a thing that looks like we're going to be putting some fiber optics together. A couple of side pieces that we've seen before, and looks like one of our first circuit boards where we're going to be plugging stuff in, and some more stickers. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting these together, and what we want to get is we're going to bring back some parts here from this. We're going to bring back this part here, and we're going to bring back this piece here, this big massive heavy piece that we've got here. And if I can find it here, I know it's here someplace, and it's hiding on me, I think. I want to say that this is the right one or not. Looks like it is. I'm just checking here to see if I've got everything all right here. It looks like I am needing. Yes, I'm needing the other half of this. Let me look for it right now. There it was, right underneath my nose all the time. Yeah, this is the one we needed right here. So this is one we're going to need right here, right now. And the first thing they want us to do is, actually, they want us to screw this piece back out just a little bit. I'm a little too close today. You know, they want us to put this piece onto here, this direction, on these two little lugs here on the side, and I'm gonna have a little bit of oil, and we're going to be using the non-flanged screws to go into here, from what I can see. So that's going to go one into this side here. So, and one into this side, like so. So they got to doing that. Then they want us to put that to the side, and they want us to bring this cable over, and they want us to put these stickers here. Whoops. Well, they want us to put one on each end, so we need one on this side, one on this side here. Like we've been doing before. We want us to put one on each end here for these. Okay, it's B1 there. Be one with yourself. And then they want, since these are both the same on each end, they want us to plug that into this section right here, orientating that to that direction there. It also says B1 on here, which that kind of helps also. And then they want us to take our piece, set that to the side for a moment, and then they want us to bring this over. Okay, got hung up on another piece. They want us to bring this over, and particularly this one that's loose right here, and they want us to put this on here, like so. It's about an inch and a half, not an inch, 1.5 centimeters there. And what they're asking us to do is to take this short piece here that we got, and they want us to put it opposite of that, like so. So they're like that. And then they want us to take this piece here, same thing we had before, and they want us to shove it over the top of this thing like so, so that we only have, so we have it like that. And then they want us to cut these off. So we're gonna cut these off here. And again, I'm saving these because I never know when I might be able to use something like that for lighting or some kind of a decoration weed. So we've got it like that there, with that little nipple sticking out right there. Move these off to the side here. Well, I just can't seem to pick up anything today. And what we're going to do is, now that we've got that done, they want us to bring this over to this, and we're going to mount it to these two lugs here, like so. And then we're going to use the flange silver screws, and we're going to put one right here into this piece here, which, let's see, there we go. Now engaged, right? Into this one here, like that. And another one, we're dipping this in the oil. Even though these are threaded, the posts are, which makes it easier. The oil just kind of helps it bite and do what it's supposed to do. Now, what we're going to do is, once we've got that done, they want us to take and plug our little thing here that we made into this hole right there where the light fixture is. And I'm looking at it to see, because they kind of got a kind of a square peg hole. It's kind of weird that they've got a square peg hole for this thing to fit in, but it gives it some good grip. Basically all that's there for is to just kind of hold that thing together. I don't know why it needs to be so long, but that's the way they've got it. I'm just following the directions as they say. I'm a dummy and I'm following the directions. That's what I'm doing. I don't follow the directions, I might not get it done right. So then we want to take and come out with our... Okay, so now we've got all of these here. We're going to kind of undo this wires here, like so. And we could put these back in if we need to. Kind of help hold it all together, but I don't think so. And we want to take this one here, the bigger one, and that's going to go into this one here. Let me bring you down here just a little bit closer. And my light's kind of blowing it out somewhat. But we're going to take this bigger one here, and we're going to put it into this bigger slotted one here, and looks like it goes this direction here, and we'll make sure that's seated in correctly. And then they want us to take, and I don't think this matters because both of these say SLC and they both go to the same kind of lights there, I recall. And we want that to be set this way here. Now we've tested none of these lights, so we have no clue if these are working or not, which could come and bite us in the butt. At a later date, but we're gonna be troopers and we're gonna build this regardless. Well, if I can get her started in the right direction, there we go. Just a little bit, fat fingers, small stuff. So we got it like that. So there we go. So that's all that put in together. And we're going to set that off to this up here for a moment. We're going to bring this other half in, and we're going to put those on this side. Is it this side here we want to put it on or not? Let me see. Looks like we're putting it on. I want to say we're going to put it on that side, but that doesn't seem right, but it does look right. Nope. They're telling us to put that on this side. Which, oh yes, okay. My bad. That's right. I forgot. These are the ones that's got the little nipple on the side here. That's got to go on here. So those go like that. So yes, that does go on that side. So put them on there like that. We put this one down in here like so. And we come back and we get a couple of our little flange screws here. well on that. And we're screwing that into there. One more here. And we're screwing that one into there. And back this out just a little bit for you. Now that we're getting a bigger ship here, that's all we've got to do in this stage. So that it makes volume 22 now completed. So we're getting there. We're getting some lights done in that, and I'm assuming we're going to be putting this over the top of that. Maybe in the next stage or so, but I don't know until I get there. But thanks for watching. Well, if you made it to the end of this video, thanks for watching. And remember, mental note, like and subscribe to be updated to all my content. And thanks for watching. Bye for now. See you later.